the Turbo 3 cash machine, and so far so good. Everyone who I've introduced this to has had, a decent amount of success. And this is a pre-done for you reseller wholesale resale website. They have everything you need already pretty much set up, the advertising, all of that, and here it is. You connect it to your PayPal account, and it's only $3. So check it out. It's like everyone can do this. Anyone can do this. And if you were doing, let's say, what would an extra $30 a day, or say $60 a day, do for you? It really would help you out a lot, because that's gas money, and you're really not doing much. You're just advertising the website, and they see that, and this is like, it could be set to different prices or whatever, but $3, that's a reasonable price. So if you're getting $3 from multiple people online worldwide, this works worldwide, and they click, and boom, it takes them to your takes them to your PayPal account, and they basically pay you, and it goes directly to them, their email. So just something to think about when you're dealing with the Turbo 3 cash machine. Earn multiple payments, $3 payments on autopay. So definitely check that out.